Most budgets fail because people don't notice the problem until it's too late. But this one habit fixes that. Most people only look at their budget a couple times a month, at the beginning and after the damage is done. By then, it feels like failure, so they quit. But I've got a simple solution. A spending log is not about restriction, it is about awareness. You write down what you bought, how much, how you paid, and whether it was a need or a want. That's basically it. But the simple tool is part of my budget system that I use myself, and it will help you discover your real numbers. It's free. I'm going to link this sheet and how to get the free full budget with a tutorial below if you're interested in it. Most budgets are not blown in one big mistake. What happens is they bleed out quietly. A copy here, a swipe there, stress spending at night. And by the time that you notice, your month's gone, the budget is hurting, and that's when people tend to quit. When I first started logging daily, I really thought it was pointless. But then I noticed something embarrassing. I wasn't just overspending on big stuff, it was actually death by 1,000 swipes. Buddy, I was tapping that card like a drum solo. But when you log spending daily, something surprising starts to happen. You start noticing patterns, and patterns are something that you can actually change. If this has helped you, stick around. I'm posting daily to help you earn more, owe less, and live better.